let's go ahead and open 2 packs for the community. So I'm going to pick 2 packs from this pile that I got after trading in some cards to Happy Clouds out in Kissimmee. So if you're ever in the Kissimmee area, come check them out. But everything I will open in this video will be available for free on SlushyGameSorter.com. But I'm very excited to see, will we pull the Charizard? And that's what the owner was curious about as well when he gave me these packs. Ooh, we got a Charmeleon. I have a good feeling. All right, we'll take an Empoleon EX. That's actually not bad at all. That actually made me very happy. I personally love the Sinnoh region. I would say Diamond and Platinum were 2 of my favorite games as a kid. So that actually kind of made me very happy. But let's go ahead and crack another one. Maybe we'll get some better luck on this one. We'll see. My luck is never really good, but we will see. All right, we got Lotad. Ooh, Aipom. Some sort of ring, Seviper, and unfortunately nothing else. Stay awesome, everybody.